To add an owner and manager to your Facebook business page, in case you have a marketing partner such as us who needs to log in to make changes and optimizations, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your mobile device. And in the bottom right, click on the icon that is your page. So you want to make sure you are logged in and that the icon that is showing is the correct profile. So once you have the correct profile, click the cog in the top right. That'll bring up your page settings. Click on page settings. Now scroll down. You're going to want to look for new pages experience, and then you're going to click on page access. From there, you're going to click add new next to people with Facebook access. Click next, and then you're going to search. You can type the person's name in. Oops, I can't even type my own name. So there's my name. I'm already an owner, so I'm not going to show up, but I do know that there is someone who has the exact same name as me without the S at the end. So we're just going to click on him for the sake of example. And now you want to scroll down to the bottom and switch on allow this person also to have full control. Click give access, and you're done.